Hello, in this video I will show you how to integrate the direct login add-on in the ARMember plugin. Let's go to the ARMember add-ons page. This is the ARMember add-ons page. Here you can see the ARMember built-in modules and external add-ons. Now install the direct login add-on. The add-on has been installed successfully. Now let's activate it. Then click the Configure button. This is the Manage Direct Login page where you can create and manage direct login settings. Next, click the Add Direct Login button to create a new direct login. This is the Add New Direct Login form. You can choose between two user types. For a new user, enter the email address, select the user role, and choose the direct login expiration. You can set it to expire after a selected number of hours or days. First, let's create a direct login for an existing user. Search for the user's email address, select the user, and then choose the direct login expiration. After entering the details, click the Save button. As you can see, the direct login has been added successfully and is now displayed here. Here you can copy the login link, edit the expiration duration, or delete the direct login. Next, copy the login link and go to the front side. As you can see, no user is currently logged in. Now paste the login link into the browser. As you can see, the user has been logged in successfully. Next, let's check the Edit Profile page. First, click the Member panel. From there, select the Edit Profile option. This is the Edit Profile page. As you can see, the selected user is now logged in. Now let's go back to the Manage Direct Login page. Click the Add Direct Login button to create a new direct login. In the Add New Direct Login form, select New User. Enter the user's email address, choose the user role, select the direct login expiration, and then click the Save button. The new user has been created successfully. Now copy the login link. Now go to the front end. Here you can see that no user is currently logged in. Now paste the copied login link into the browser. As you can see, the new user is now logged in as an editor. That's it. This is how you can create and use direct login links in ARMember.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.